Computers are powerful, but they have one fundamental problem. They do not understand meaning. When you search for the phrase fast car, a traditional database can only match those exact words. It would completely miss quick vehicle, speedy automobile, or rapid sedan, all meaning the same thing. This is where embeddings come in. An embedding is a mathematical representation of text, or an image or audio, as a list of numbers, called a vector, not random numbers, numbers that capture meaning. Here is how it works. Take the word king, pass it through a neural network trained on billions of sentences. The network outputs a vector, maybe 512 or 1536 numbers. Each number represents a dimension of meaning. Is this word about royalty, about gender, about power, about history? The magic is in the relationships. King and queen end up very close in vector space. King and banana end up very far apart. Happy and joyful cluster together. To measure how similar two things are, we use cosine similarity, the angle between two vectors. A small angle means very similar. A large angle means unrelated. Now the real applications become clear. Semantic search. A user types heart attack symptoms. We embed the query and find the closest medical documents, even if they use the phrase myocardial infarction and never say heart attack at all. RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. You embed your entire knowledge base and store the vectors in a database like Pinecone or Weaviate. When a user asks a question, embed the question, find the closest chunks, inject them into the prompt. This is exactly how AI assistants answer questions about your specific documents. Recommendations. Embed every Netflix show by plot, cast, and genre. Embed what a user has watched. Find the nearest shows in vector space. Personalized recommendations. Done. Creating embeddings is simple. One API call to the OpenAI Embeddings endpoint, or a local model like sentence transformers. Text goes in, a vector comes out. Embeddings are the bridge between human language and machine understanding. Once this concept clicks, RAG, semantic search, and vector databases all fall into place.